Hi guys, my name is Peter, and in this third video of our introduction series, we're going to unbox our new Panospace One and walk through its first setup before printing. So let's go! Alright, we have the box containing our printers ready, so let's open it. We'll use the two latches on the front side to open the top and pull up the little box inside. This is the box that is containing all of the accessories Panospace provides with our printer. Let's move the printer box out of the way and look at the goodies we get. First are the cable for our power supply with an EU plug and the external supply itself. Afterwards, we have a USB cable for connection with our computer, one stick of common office glue, and one roll of standard PLA filament in white. This is good as it means we can get printing right away. Then, this is the metal wrench for adjusting and service, little sticky pad for attaching the print bed in case it's loose, and a plastic scraper for removing prints. And lastly, the flexible Bowden tube for protecting our filament. Last thing we have in the box is the paperwork. Quick start guide in English, full manual in English, and a large warranty card with all the info about service and warranty. Moving back to the printer, we're going to pull it out of the box and remove the protective foam covers. Then afterwards we're going to peel away the tape holding its plastic wrapping together and take the printer out of it. Alright, with our printer finally out of the packaging, the next step is to remove all the tape and stickers securing the bed and the filament holders and the foam protecting the print head. With this done, we have our Panospace ready for the first setup. We're going to ready our printer, the power supply and the Bowden tube and our filament roll and get to setting up our printer for the first time. First we're going to connect the power supply cable to the back of our printer, turn it over and turn on our printer with the switch on the back. Since the printer comes in pre-calibrated, all we need to do now is to load in a filament roll. We're going to ready our filament roll by snipping off the bent end and then going to hit the green adjust icon in the menu and choose load filament. Printer will start moving to the loading position and we're going to thread our filament through the hole in the filament holder and the Bowden tube. Then it's just waiting till printer tells us to insert the filament into the hole in the extruder and pushing the extrude button till filament starts coming out of the nozzle. We're going to confirm that the filament is loaded, close the filament holder, put on the top cover and we're ready. Alright guys, that will be it for this unboxing and first setup video. Since we now have our 3D printer ready, we're going to print our first 3D print and look into the basics of printing setup and preparation in the next video, so stay tuned. Like this video if you liked it, share it if you found it interesting, and subscribe to see more 3D printing content.